Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to show you how I made these fun snowflakes using brown paper sacks. And I got my inspiration from a lady named Jessica on TikTok. To make these super easy snowflakes, you're going to need 7 of the brown paper bags. Now these are just the same size you would put your child's lunch in to take to school. You're going to want to take your bags and place them with the flat side down against the table. Now you're going to take your glue and you're just going to basically make a T shape with the hot glue. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. Take your next sack, place it with the flap side down toward the tables, press the 2 sacks together, and you're just going to repeat the same process with all 7 of your little bags. You could probably paint or draw designs on your paper bags if you wanted to before you hot glued them together. This is my first time making them, so we didn't paint or do anything special to ours. Once you have all 7 of your little brown paper sacks hot glued together, then you're going to want some sharp scissors. First, I went to the end where the bag opens up and I just took my scissors and I kind of cut it where that it makes like a triangle shape. So I cut a little off the left side and a little off the right side. Now you could take a pencil and make a pattern if you wanted to. I just freehanded mine. And then now on each side, I'm just cutting a little kind of oval shape. This would be a fun craft to do with your children. You would definitely need to supervise with the cutting part, but you could let them draw out the pattern and then cut it out. Then after you have your design cut out, you're ready to open up your snowflake, and it looks so pretty, and each one is different every time. Now once you have it opened up, you're going to have to glue 2 bags together to make a complete circle. So on one of the flaps, add a long line of the hot glue and place the other bag right in the hot glue and hold it for a little bit. Same thing for the top of the sack. Add some hot glue and place the 2 sides together and let it dry. And now you're ready to hang up your beautiful snowflake. This is such a simple DIY to do, and it turns out so pretty. I wish I would have known how to have made these when I was teaching 4th grade. These would have been so cute hanging from the ceiling. The next 2 my daughter made for me, so I'm just she didn't want to be on camera, so I'm showing you what hers looked like. She did different than her mama, and they turned out super cute. I really think hers are my favorite. These would look really cute hanging from your chandelier, or maybe like instead of a wall basket, do a snowflake wall maybe. That would be something so pretty for Christmas. And also you could leave it up for January too. But these are so simple to make. You'll have to let me know which one is your favorite. I think that one right there that my daughter made is probably my favorite because I like the way she did the kind of the scalloped edges. And then here's her last one, so you'll have to let me know which one's your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. Also, I would love to know what the weather is like where you live. They're calling for snow in our area tonight. Not a lot. I think 1 to 4 inches is all. I also wanted to say thank you so much to all the sweet and wonderful comments I received a few days ago when I was sick with a migraine. Y'all don't know how much that meant to me. So thank you guys so much for your kind words and prayers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share.